this is a little bit of a distraction side project, but I got this TV mount, and I got a TV, and I got some speakers. And I know you're wondering, what about the lights? Last thing you saw was me almost hooking up the lights. And I know, you're right. But at the moment that I'm recording this, the lights are still not hooked up, so you're just gonna have to see the lights next time. Right now I'm about to take down this little corner support because I'm about to mount a TV right here. What the Now we've got these proprietary Bose speaker wires that I'm about to nicely tuck behind the frame of my building here, at about the same height that the TV is going to be hung. Alright, so I've got this little template. And we're going to use this template to mark the holes that I'm going to drill for the mount for the TV. And that is a mounted TV mount. I'm gonna get this TV up on here. TV's hung. Wow, we have a TV in the garage. Oh my gosh, my hood. My hair looks terrible, but I have a TV in my garage, so. And in the middle of all this, we were doing a bunch of other stuff with the lights and electrical and everything, and we didn't finish. But I was able to get all the speakers mounted, wiring routed, and hidden. And I got this nice little glass shelf for my receiver to sit on. And I do gotta say, wow, I have really good taste. All of this stuff just looks so good, and it's gonna be so nice to use while I'm working on my car. Since we don't have electricity hooked up to the garage yet, and I got all of this stuff mounted, I did what any reasonable person would do, and I rigged up the wiring so these back outlets in the garage had power. And here's the TV working, but for some reason we don't have sound yet. And I got my fingers crossed that it's just that I got a bad optical audio cable, but I'll figure that out soon. This lady actually liked my garage sound system setup so much that she came to congratulate me, or at least I assume that's what she was here for. I wasn't there to talk to her, so she left. And yes, this is at regular speed, it's not sped up. She's walking away really fast, kind of weird. Anyways, I'm really happy with the way that this came out. Let me know what you think.